Good afternoon, ma'am.
I'm going to conduct your speaking test on 1st of December. What's your name?
My full name is Yati Gauri Verma.
How can I address you?
You may call me by my first name, Yati.
So Yati, tell me something about yourself. Do you work or you study?
Well, I have completed my diploma in nursing. Now I'm planning to pursue the same in abroad to get the reputed job in the same field.
Alright. So what do you do in your leisure?
I do many things in my free time. I give more preference to reading books because I am fond of reading, as it will enhance my reading skill and I am able to know the new vocabulary and other things.
Let us talk about holidays. How often do you get holidays in your country?
Definitely, every person like to go for holidays. I also like to visit different places such as Rajasthan and other hill station and like Manali and other places where I can.
Alright. Do you think the holidays given to the people in your country are sufficient? The number of holidays is sufficient?
Yes, definitely, because there are many holidays which is given by the government and um, they are given by the constitution such
Should
as.
this number be increased?
I don't think so, because if the number will be increased, then the working days will be reduced. So I don't think so. The holidays given by the government is sufficient.
How do people enjoy these holidays?
It will depend upon person to person, but most of the people like to spend the holidays with their families as well as with their kith and kins.
Alright. So Yati, I'm going to give you a cue card now. You will have to speak for about 2 minutes over the same and you have a minute to prepare. And here is your cue card. Your time is over. Shall we start?
Well, I'm adventurous by nature as well as I like to explore different things. Presently, I would by all means prefer to describe about a film which I like the most, that is none other than Tare Zameen Par. I watched this movie 2 years ago in the PVR with my kith and kins, and it is the movie made by eminent personalities and actors such as Amir Khan and Kareena Kapoor, in which it was explained that how a person overcome from different disorder. Well, it will explained in that movie that no one is perfect in each and everything. In that movie, there was a student who was unable to do mathematics. So at that time, a new teacher came to that school who explained each and everything to him and inculcate those things in which he liked to indulge and participate, and they organized some painting competition. In that, that pupil won the prize and everybody admire him, and all the teachers feel extremely spellbound that how a student who is weak in other studies can get can represent his imagination in a perfect way. Further reinforcing, I can say that it is a movie in which one can learn many things. First thing is that one have to never give up on anything. That life is not about quitting, because we have.
You can stop now. Your time is over. As you have just spoken about your favorite movie, let us proceed with section 3, that is discussion. I will ask you some questions regarding the same. So what kind of films are trending now and why?
There are many movies which are in vlog, such as fictional movies and traditional movies based upon science and other things. For example, recently there is a movie that is Jhansi Ki Rani, is quite popular among the youth as well as in the old age people.
Does people's age make any difference to their choice of films?
Could you repeat the question?
Does people's age make any difference to their choice of films?
Yes, definitely. Preferences will depend upon the age as well as person likes and dislike. Because most of the aged people like to watch traditional and ritual movies in which the culture and tradition is explained, while young people like to watch movies in which there is some drama, thrill, and many more things like that.
Have you ever seen a black and white film?
Definitely. I saw the movie of my grandfather's wedding, and in which it was the first movie which I saw in the 3 years back, and it was an extremely different experience for me to watch a black and white movie.
Alright. Why do you think fewer people go to cinema to watch film these days?
Well, it depends upon the person's own preference, but due to the availability of internet and other websites on that, many movies are available just with one click, so people give least preference to watch it in the cinema, as I also give preference to watch it at home with my family. It requires no cost for me, just some internet which require less amount of money.
Do you think cinema will disappear in the future because of the introduction of technology?
Definitely not, because not every person like to watch movies at home. The experience of the cinema will never be beatable, which can never be beatable. So there are many people who give preference to watch movies at cinema hall, and in that way they can spend time with their families as well as with their friends.
Alright Yadi, this is the end of your speaking session.
Okay.
So अभी हम discuss करेंगे. I would suggest you, or according to me, I think this session goes between 6 to 6.5 bands. You have done quite well. The errors now you have made, I'm gonna let you know so that you can avoid them. Hopefully it can be better in your exam. Fine. So first question in introduction, I asked you about how often do you get holidays? The answer was absolutely different. Instead of telling how often holidays are given, you started telling people are going to different occasions. Fine. And there was a bit, error of, I must say, about vocabulary words. And you made slight errors of grammar. Instead of using present indefinite, you used future at some places. Fine. And when it was the section 2, Q card, यहाँ पे आपने क्या किया है? One thing you forgot to mention. What was the type of movie? What was the type of movie you forgot to mention? Fine. So second prompt was missed. Otherwise, you almost answered everything, and it was for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. And last, section 3, जहाँ पे मैंने आपसे पूछा what you made error over here, यहाँ पे आपके एक तो explanation में examples नहीं थे कहीं पे भी. Secondly, आपके sentences में range नहीं थी, and you missed somewhere vocab. Otherwise, at some places you used very good vocabulary like unbeatable experiences in your cue card as well. Some words were very catchy. Synonyms was there, I must say, but at some places you used wrong vocabulary. Instead of saying was, you used saw. Right? And a bit of pronunciation, like instead of saying available, you said available, which something was like that. So I hope you all the best for your exam, and I wish you get a better score. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you.